Welcome to Onsite. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to create a purchase order in Onsite. Also, we'll walk you through the complete process from raising a material request at the site to PO approval, material receiving, and finally adding the purchase entry. So, whenever there is a requirement of material in the site team will raise a material request directly from their site login. So, let's create a material request. Okay. So once the site team has raised the request, it will be submitted and it will come to the concerned hierarchy or purchase team for approval. After reviewing the details, we'll approve the material request. Only approved requests will be visible for PO creation. So let's create a purchase order. For that, in the left panel, click the procurement tab. Under purchase order, you can see the open material request. So here you can see a list of all approved material requests from various sites. We'll select the project. So here you can see all the approved material request for this particular site. We'll select all the items and click create PO. This will open the purchase order creation page. Select the particular vendor, create. Okay, so now let's fill the basic details. In the top, you can see the supplier name, company name, the site name and address, PO number, PO issue date, and the bill to ship to. You can add in the bill to the company or head office name or to whom the vendor will send the bill, that you can add. So under ship to the project site or warehouse where the supplier, where the material needs to be delivered can be added. Under ship from, the vendor's dispatch or warehouse address can be added, and under bill from, the GST and address details for the vendor or supplier who is providing the material has been added. So next, let's enter the unit rate. So you can add the tax percentage here. Also, you can add terms and conditions related to payment, delivery, or quality if needed. Additional charges, additional discounts can be added. Once all the details are filled, click in Save and Publish. The PO will now move forward for approval as per the company flow. So once approved, the purchase order becomes active. You can download it, mail it, or even WhatsApp the PO directly to the vendor from the system. So let's download this. So a particular PDF like this will be shared to your vendor right from the system. So once all the items are received, we'll add the receivable entry. So we'll go to the project. Under material tab, we can add the receivable entry. Select the supplier's name. Here you can see the purchase order item has been reflecting. Let us say we have only received 150 bags of cement. You can add delivery challan or vehicle number. You can add the image of the material that has been received as well. So if only part of the material is received, the PO status will show open. Here you can see the aggregate, we've received the whole quantity, so it's closed. And here you can see further 150 bags of cement is pending to receive, so it shows open. So again, so to check what's still pending, in the material tab, pending to receive option is there. In the purchase order item, you can see all the materials that we have ordered which are still pending to receive. So here you can view the balance quantity and even receive the remaining items from the same option. So finally, after receiving all the materials, go to unbilled in the transaction, go to unbilled materials. Under the supplier name, you can see all the materials that we have received from this vendor. Next, here you can see the unit rate has auto-fetched from the purchase order that we have created. Here you can add any discount or additional charges applied. Or if you have paid partial amount for the supplier, you can add that as well. Let us say I'm adding 1 lakh rupees, have been paid partially. From here, you can select the purchase invoice number, where to ship to, any notes you want to add, or the bill you can attach here and save. Here you can see the expense has been created for this particular supplier and the amount that we have paid partially. And here you can see unbilled item 1,18,300. So the ledger for this particular party will also be reflecting in the party tab. From here you can settle him as well. And that's it. We have successfully created and managed a purchase order in Onsite right from request to billing. This process ensures smooth tracking, approval, and accounting for every purchase made. Thank you for watching.